Hello everyone, in this video, we will discuss a few vegetable plants that you can start from seeds very easily. I will also show you some important tips and tricks that helps you a lot. So let's start. There are lots of winter vegetable plants that you can start with a very minimum effort. All of these vegetable plants requires a very well-draining soil mix that I have added in the description and I button. The first and most easiest plant to start from seeds is tomato plant. They are very easy to grow and you can get your first harvest in only 3 to 4 months. For getting higher germination rate, always buy good quality seeds. The next one is bell pepper, that is also a very easy to grow plant. I have also bought 3 types of bell pepper seeds that I will grow. Their seeds germinates within 4 to 5 days and gives you their first harvest in only 3 months. The next plant is radish, that is a very easy to grow plant. This is a rooted vegetable that is produced under the soil. The important thing about them is to plant them in a wide and deep container. You can also grow white radish from seeds. You need a deep container to get bigger veggies. Their seeds are very easy to germinate. They germinate only in 2 days and you can get your first harvest in only 60 to 70 days. The next plant is turnip, that is also a rooted vegetable and you can grow them from seeds very easily. Their seeds are small, so don't bury them too deep in the soil. You need a wider pot to get big size harvest. For growing all type of rooted vegetables, try to grow them when temperature is about 25 to 28 degrees and keeps on decreasing day by day. This thing keeps your plants very well growing. And all the vegetable plants requires a full day of sun, so choose a sunny area to get better harvest. The next winter season vegetable plant is green chili plant, that is very easy to grow and can be started from seeds in winters. For getting more harvest, choose a hybrid variety, because they have more potential to produce chilies. The next plant to grow in winters is cauliflower. Their seeds grows very fastly and the plant became mature within 60 to 70 days. Try to give a bigger pot to this plant. They produces big size cauliflowers in bigger pots. The last plant in our list is pea plant, that is also a very delicious vegetable. You can also grow them from seeds and get your first harvest within 3 to 4 months. Try to give at least 8 inches pot to your pea plant for proper flowering and fruiting. So these are the winter vegetable plants that I have chosen to grow in these winters. Let's see what I can grow successfully and where I fail. For growing winter vegetable plants, you must have to know that vegetable plants requires full day of sun, a well-draining loose soil mix and good quality seeds. I have figured out many good quality vegetable seeds that have better germination rate and they are hybrid also. I have added their links in the description from where you can buy them very easily. Buy them and store them in a dry place. Sow them when the temperature is ideal for that plant in your side. Hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in comments. If you want to make a good quality soil mix for your vegetable garden, check out this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.